Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a topic that's shaping our world every single day: artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard of it. Maybe through Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT. Maybe Netflix recommending your next movie, or Google Maps finding the fastest route. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? And why does it matter to you? In this video, I'm going to explain AI in the simplest way possible: no complicated jargon, just clear examples you can understand. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation of AI basics. So let's get started. Artificial intelligence is simply about making machines smart. It's teaching computers to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Let's break it down. Artificial means created by humans. Intelligence means the ability to learn, reason, and solve problems. So AI is equal to giving machines the ability to do tasks that normally need human intelligence. But wait, there are related terms. Machine learning is a way for AI to learn from data instead of being hard-coded. Deep learning is a special type of machine learning inspired by how the human brain works, using something called neural networks. Don't worry if that sounds complex, we'll keep it simple. Examples of AI. When you ask Alexa for the weather, that's AI. When Google Maps reroutes you because of traffic, that's AI. When ChatGPT answers your questions, that's also AI. AI isn't brand new, it's been around for decades. Alan Turing asked the famous question, can machines think? Early AI was rule-based, meaning computers followed strict instructions. Machine learning exploded thanks to more data and better computers. And today, with huge amounts of data and powerful GPUs, AI has become mainstream. That's why we see it everywhere, from our phones to hospitals to cars. There are three types of AI. 1. Narrow AI. This is what we have today. It's specialized in one task. For example, your phone's face unlock system can only recognize faces, it can't drive a car or write music. 2. General AI. This is the dream. A machine that can think and reason like a human across any subject. We don't have this yet. 3. Super AI. This is the sci-fi version, machines that are smarter than humans. It's still just an idea, but people debate if we'll ever reach it. Right now, all the AI around us, like chatbots, self-driving cars, or recommendation engines, is narrow AI. Here's a super simple way to think about it. Data is the fuel. AI needs huge amounts of data to learn. Algorithms are the recipes. These are the step-by-step instructions that help AI learn patterns. The model is the chef. Once trained, the model can recognize things and make predictions. Example, teaching AI to recognize cats. Feed it thousands of pictures labeled cat and not cat. Over time, the AI learns patterns like pointy ears, whiskers, or furry bodies. Eventually, when you show it a new photo, it can say, yes, that's a cat. That's the core idea. AI learns from data to make decisions or predictions. Now let's look at how AI shows up in everyday life. Healthcare AI can scan X-rays and detect diseases faster than doctors in some cases. Finance detects fraud, powers customer chatbots, and predicts stock trends. Entertainment, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, all use AI to recommend content. Education, personalized learning apps adjust to each student's pace. Transportation, self-driving cars and smart traffic systems. You're already using AI every day, sometimes without even realizing it. Like any tool, AI has advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Automates boring tasks. Improves accuracy in medicine, business, and science. Saves time and increases efficiency. Opens up exciting new innovations. And cons. Can replace some jobs. Can be biased if trained on bad data. Raises privacy issues. Brings ethical challenges, like how far should AI go? So AI itself isn't good or bad, it depends on how we humans use it. Today we learned what AI is and how it works. A quick history and types of AI. Real-life applications. Pros, cons, and the future. Remember, AI is not magic. It's math, data, and creativity combined. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this beginner's guide to AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And drop a comment below, what AI example excites you the most? See you in the next video.